Hello friend, how to cover up rust on a car. When foci of corrosion have already appeared on the body of the car, you should not wait for their further spread. If the rust is specifical, that is, it has not yet penetrated deep into the structure of the metal and has not begun to destroy it from the inside, rust converted can help. They are applied in the form of the spray, gel, or liquid, not the corrosion center of the clean. Dry car and penetrate into the pod to a depth of 20 microns. In place of rust, a protective film appears that prevents the development and spread of the red plague. On top of it, you can apply paint to match the bodywork to mask the eliminated defect. Previously, when such compounds were not on sale, motorists used table vinegar, citric acid, or a solution of baking soda for this purpose. After their explosion for a couple of hours, the metal was wiped, protected, primed, and painted. Similar operation, but already with the removal of damaged metal, treating a car with deep rust on the body. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.